guys.
We better go camp. Finna get crunk.
For like one night.
Turn up.
And right now we have to get groceries.
Yeah, and it's like way late, but like we want to do it anyway because she had like a midterm and stuff today.
And then I got here like 40 minutes ago and Brandon wasn't here.
That doesn't have anything to do with
That does
the
have
time.
to do with the time right now.
30 minutes
We've been on the road right now.
Alright.
Well, anyways, we're getting some
I'm sorry I have to come this way to get you.
Right? No, we're getting some potatoes and some rice, and we're getting some eggs and bacon.
I have eggs and bacon.
We have to like minimize our amount of groceries we're gonna buy because we last time spent like literally $140 on groceries, and that's really unnecessary.
Hey, we feasted like kings though.
Yeah, we literally ate all of it. We have some more stuff.
Yeah.
And milk.
Oh, I have 2%.
He's hungry. Do you want to get? Oh, we should get like snacks for the car.
Yeah.
We gonna pick some potatoes.
I'll pick some taters out. Fucking taters.
Let's just, I think they only have sweet potatoes. Oh, they do. They've never had a real potato.
Wait, hold on.
This is the only thing they have. I thought they only had this, but I totally looked over these. Okay, we have potatoes, and we got this rice. Hopefully it's good. Cool, so we got those, these, and now we need
What?
like a small one? Or do you want?
Actually that'd be nice for the morning, but hold on. How much is a carton?
So I was just holding Brandon's hands while we were walking. He goes,
1% or 2%?
stop, we're grocery shopping, 2%.
They don't have 2%.
Okay, 1%'s fine. Honestly, whole milk will be better. Fucking weirdo. What kind of statement is that? Oh, so we just finished getting everything, hopefully. And now we're gonna check out. And did you bring a charger?
Oh, I sure did.
Did you bring a charger or no?
Oh shit.
You brought one? Yeah. Okay, so yeah.
We got the Young Grocers. Copping the Young Groceries. Tristan, I know where my car is, buddy.
Really?
Buddy boy.
Oh,
it's up there. Yeah, we do the most.
You probably can't see us.
My diamond's a choker! Oh yeah, it's bad at night.
It's just there's no light at all on us.
Yeah.
I could put a flashlight. But we are driving to Gorman now. It's like 48 minutes away.
Yeah. Fuck.
New era, new games, new players, new bottles on.
Hey guys, it's like 1 a.m. right now. We just went and got gas and we off-roaded. I thought I lost my camera until right now, and I didn't film any of the setting up, but it's really dark. We're gonna eat now.
Hey. Oh, what's up?
Hey guys.
We might be able to muster up.
I'm using this lantern that
we might be able to muster up some wood in the morning.
it's like a solar powered lantern that Brandon has, but it's like bedtime. It's probably like 2:30 right now.
Yeah, we stayed up.
It's honestly pretty cold, like way colder than we thought, but like we had a freaking dang dinner.
Dang, it was super late.
Shout out to Mom Zenaida
Shout
for that dang chicken.
Shout out to Mom.
But now we're going to bed. We're gonna close the tent.
Oh, we should have showed him that.
The what?
Well, this pillow right here just came out of this little baggie.
Camping right by a creek, so it's gonna be beautiful when we wake up.
That's why it's so cold though.
Yeah, but like it's worth it. I personally think.
Should I change the just sweats?
Yes, you're definitely. I'm gonna change it to sweats right now.
Where's my wallet?
I don't know, babe. Shit. It's okay, it's fine. Probably, I hope.
Glasses there.
Okay. Good night.
Chickens.
Morning. You actually got really good sleep. Yeah, but we have a creek right outside our tent that we're gonna walk down to. This is our campsite. Lola looks really good. We're walking down. Hope there's not weird bugs.
Wow, that creek is flowing. Look how it's pretty deep. Look at that big boulder is covered. Yeah, holy no. It's actually really deep, dude. Do you see how big that rock is? Yeah. It's all covered. That's deep. That's really deep. No, yeah, definitely. Oh, really this is so cute.
Do you have any words?
No.
He never has words when I ask.
Deck my elevation, got them petrified. No rules, no nothing, no limits, no stopping. I'ma do it my way. See, I keep it 100 with faith on my mind. I'ma keep being me till the day that I die. The road is long, but don't
See that one?
This one? I don't like that one.
This step is a normal step, babe. That's what I'm saying. Step in unison.
I like this a lot. I want there to be a fish.
I'm sure there's fish.
Righty, we're going to collect some wood. Brandon has his, what kind of knife is that?
It's turkey.
Green? I mean, it's alive for sure.
Yeah, it's wet.
It's a very nice morning out here in Gorman. Brandon thinks that he saw some down here.
I feel like it's super dry, but
Let's just try it.
like, you know, like this.
He got these new camping gloves and we're gonna get me some. They're really nice. I can't even pick up wood or I'll probably get a splinter. So this morning we're going to have bacon, eggs, and potatoes. We're just collecting some wood to try and start a fire because we used all our wood last night. It was cold as heck and it was keeping us really warm.
slow your hopes for no reason.
That way you can be prepared.
We're going for a little drive and then we're gonna make some food. We're about to go in some puddles. It's like a boat. Uh-oh. Fine, one more time.
Later. It's pretty fucking deep.
Yeah.
It was like up to here.
Does that mean it got in there?
Hopefully not.
I feel like it did.
Hopefully not.
Making some bacon.
Crispy.
Brandon's putting on gloves because that shit pops and it hurts. And I won't do it because I'm a baby. So we're gonna make eggs and then cook these potatoes after.
Do you want to put more in there?
We're cooking the taters. Alright guys, we are leaving. We had a great time. Kind of tired now.
Goodbye and good riddance.
Sayonara and signing out.